Now, getting paid online can be challenging, regardless of what the internet guru is going to tell you. But right now, it's literally 3 o'clock in the morning. I have some big meetings tomorrow, and I needed a tool that can make me graphics, videos, and really can just act as an agent for me. And this thing I'm about to show you made everything for me in under 10 minutes. And when I say everything, I'm gonna show you a commercial on the screen right now.
Introducing Youth Luxe, the premium lip liner that defines perfection. Our luxurious formula glides on effortlessly for precise application and long-lasting wear. Experience the perfect blend of luxury and
Without further ado, turning these ideas into reality. Let's get it. So first, let me show you an example of an AI podcast. I know y'all seen all the viral AI videos that have been going on Instagram, TikTok, but if you haven't, here's one right now. All I did was type in, generate a 60-second realistic style podcast. Obviously, that's a banger. And imagine if you had an Instagram channel, a YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, and all it talked about was colonial culture, the history of America, the history of Ireland, the history of Canada. You don't even need to know the information. This just made it for you. Next example. Here's another one. Let's say I know a lot of y'all went to school for coding, or you have a product, service, and you got an app that you want made. This will make your app. Let's do it. I want to create an app for my YouTube account. Now, this is going to take you about 5 to 10 minutes. And then it's literally showing you which platforms they use to make the graphics. So even if the thing I like about this is it does everything for you, but you can also follow along. So if you wanted to edit one of the graphics or tailor one of them, you could do that step by step. So what I mean by that is you can go up here and you see that they use ChatGPT for the image. So you can change that. You can download it. You can request to change the frames, all of these different things. They even have different custom voices that they make. So let's play it and let me show you a couple seconds of how dope it is. Run. It's thinking, and look at this in real time. Look at this. Image analyzer. Look how amazing. Bro, this shit is cooking. Look. So right here now you see it's making graphics, bro, to put in your app. So the days of coding, I'm not gonna say they're gone, but you don't need to know it, bro. Look at this. Step by step HTML generation. Just look. So right now you can look and see that your whole application is formatted, it's ready to go, and all you did was type one sentence. Now, I know it's doing it for you, but again, it's cool because it's showing its work. I know y'all know in school, when you're doing math, they're gonna ask you to show your work so that you can tell them how you came up with the answer. You get what I'm saying? So this will make everything for you, but it also shows its work. Let's go to another example. But before I do that, let me tell you exactly what Lovart is so you have an idea of what it is. So I want you to understand is that Lovart is the world's first AI agent. So it's not just a tool, it works full-time, like a full-time designer who never gets tired, never gets frustrated, and it's a 24/7 professional design team. It thinks, it remembers, and autonomously executes full design workflows. This state-of-the-art Lovart tool is officially going to be released on July 23rd. So when you're watching this, there's a high chance that it's already out or it's on the verge of being out. Mark your calendar, circle your calendar, July 23rd, 2025, this will be released. All right, back to the examples. So remember how we just made an app and we had the graphics that they made from the app. What if I wanted to turn that into clothing or merch? I would type it in here and the magic will begin. I mean, look at it. It even gives you the headers and titles of what you should call the merch, what you should put it on, hoodies, hats. Like, bro, books, journals, pens, this shit is crazy, brother. They put it on phones, bags. It's literally next level marketing. So all the steps and details, I know y'all got businesses. Some of you have kids, families, bills, student loans, class in the morning, whatever you got going on. It takes a lot to run a business and think of all the things you need, but this is going to be an agent that's going to cover all the bases for you. So why don't we step back and make our own? Oh, and by the way, if you like this video, make sure you understand that the link to everything you need will be in the description so you can start using this tool too. It's elite. Okay, so now it's our turn to make some magic. We're going to do a real-time example. So I said, make me a commercial for a lip liner company called Youth Luxe. And for those of y'all who don't know, this is one of the clients that I'm managing right now. They actually have this product. So let's see what they come up with. Okay, so one thing I want y'all to realize about this and know about this is that I'm not going to sit here and cap to you. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for whatever you ask for to actually run. So if you want a video made, I would say about 10 to 15 minutes is going to take, because what it's going to do is it's literally going to make background music for you, but they're going to pull it from a different application. They're going to make custom voices for you. So if your people are talking and have dialogue, they're going to make custom voices for you, which will probably pop up on the screen. They're going to make custom graphics, scene by scene. They're going to use different platforms and plugins. So it's going to take time, And when you look right here, it even says it's searching the web for stuff. It tells you how long it's going to search the web for, 25 seconds. The estimated wait time is 50 seconds. And again, the premise is not to replace people, but what I am saying is you can use this as a tool. And so you can get someone from overseas, your little cousin, your niece, your kids, or your brother, or whatever, have them manage this agent. And now y'all still have a person you're employing, you're just giving them better help. If you already have a virtual assistant, give them the access to this and they can start creating stuff for you immediately. And again, one thing I love about it is it tells you every tool that I used to compile this video, put it together. So this used VO3, this used Kling, this used a voice generation, another Kling style video, all of these different things for background music. All of that just to get this. I'm not saying this is perfect, but what I'm saying is if you're not impressed by this, I don't know what's going on. What I'm telling you is this is a gold mine. If you put your product or service, you do coaching, you got fitness page, whatever you do, bro, you can literally type it in, hey, can you make me something for my brand? Hey, make me this, make me a commercial, make me an ad, make me a piece of content. This is the future. Prompt engineering is going to be the way of the future. This is Lovart. I think it's an incredible way to get anything that you think is an idea on or out to the world, I should say. This shit is next level. I'm stamping this. I'm vouching for this. This is fire. And if you want to use this tool, July 23rd, 2025, it's not off the press, bro. I even believe they're releasing a mobile app. So if you have a phone, you got a computer, you got an iPad, you can use it. No excuse. The same way you're making time to go to these Beyonce concerts, to go to NBA YoungBoy concerts and not wear a belt, you can invest this time to go ahead and invest in your future. You feel me? So let me know what you think of this tool. If you need anything from this video, please believe it's going to be in the description below. You don't have to search anywhere. I got the link for you. Click this and make sure you tell them the session sent you. Sign up immediately. Like the video, subscribe. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.